Hi everyone. Everybody loves Italian food. Today we will make one of the most loved Italian recipes, mushroom risotto. So let's begin. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a heated pan. Add thinly sliced mushrooms, around 300 to 350 grams. Saute the mushrooms till they are light golden brown. Add a pinch of salt and pepper powder to the mushrooms. Mushrooms will release a lot of water due to salt. However, we will cook them until they are completely dry. You can see here that the mushrooms have turned golden brown and there is no more water left in them. We will keep them for later use. Take a heavy bottom pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once heated, add 1 cube of butter. Once the mixture starts to bubble, we will add chopped garlic. Now we add 1 cup finely chopped onion. You can add white wine here, but this is completely optional. Let's add the Arborio rice. Lightly toast the Arborio rice for a minute and season it with salt and pepper. Add some water or vegetable stock. We will be adding the water in parts. The water should be just enough to cover the rice. Every time you add the water, you must stir the rice and cover it for 5 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Adding the water slowly, bit by bit, gives the creamy texture to the rice. Once the rice is fully cooked, we will grate the cheese and add it to the rice. Give it a quick stir and then add the sautéed mushrooms that we had prepared earlier. Lastly, we will add some roughly chopped basil leaves. Mushroom risotto is ready to be served. Thanks for watching.